is Aniket, and now I'm actually have come to Disneyland. So I came in the morning, so I'm now going back to the MTR station to take the train to Sunny Bay. Then I'll go straight to Central with a Ting Chang line, and then at the end I'm going to take the Central train to Causeway Bay and Park Lane Hotel. So here we are on near almost the exit. And as you see, that is a famous thing, Mickey Mouse over a whale. Here. Yeah, it's not, so no, most you can't see clearly. But I think you still can see this. Yeah? Good. Now, see this? All this is all this is all Disneyland, and that's my father. Say hi.
Hello.
Here we see a tree, and this looks like the main. And you want to see what's written over there? Thank you for visiting. And the Mickey Mouse about. And I'm sure you like to see that. I'm walking on the US Main Street, but now I'm off. And we are heading straight towards the MTR main station. So yeah, it's
Taking a video.
I'm doing a video.
तुम हेलो बोल दो पहले.
Hello. And you know, I don't think you understand anything that what they were saying.
चलो बेटा, let's take a picture here.
Gosh. Okay, bye. See you. Bye.